When a business comes under GST scrutiny, the instinctive response is often to gather all available documents and respond broadly. That approach, however, overlooks an important point. Scrutiny under Section 61 is a structured examination of the return and related particulars, and the outcome often depends on whether the return position is factually supportable from the outset. The first area commonly examined is input tax credit. Under Section 16 of the CGST Act 2017, entitlement to ITC is subject to statutory conditions, and scrutiny frequently focuses on whether the credit claimed is properly supported by supplier reporting and related records. Mismatches between return disclosures and supplier side data may therefore become an immediate area of examination. The second area is return reconciliation. The department may compare outward supply reporting, tax liability, and other return disclosures to identify inconsistencies, short payment, or other discrepancy indicators within the GST position. The third area is documentation and invoice level support. In this context, the officer may examine whether tax invoices and underlying records are compliant and sufficient to support the genuineness of the transaction position, including the requirements prescribed under Rule 46. Where discrepancies are noticed, the proper officer may issue a notice in Form GST ASMT 10 under Rule 99, seeking an explanation within the prescribed period. If the explanation is not found satisfactory or corrective action is not taken, the matter may progress into further proceedings under the Act. At Rightax, we assist businesses in evaluating the precise nature of the scrutiny issue, reconciling the return position, and building a legally structured response supported by documentation. The objective is not merely to answer a scrutiny notice, but to ensure that the GST position is defensible before the matter escalates into wider tax, interest, or litigation exposure.